So if you want to take your photos from OK to POW, then check out my previous video on how to master mobile photography. But if you want to take them from POW to KAPOW, then watch this video and find out more. Hey, it's AKJK, and in this episode I'm going to be showing you how to become a pro mobile editor in under 2 minutes, hopefully. So yeah, without further ado, roll in the intro. The process starts when you either finish taking photos on your phone, SLR, whatever you take photos on, and then import that, or if it's on your phone, not, into your phone. Obviously if it's on the phone, not. So, you got them there. We have two apps that we're going to be using in this video. The first one is VSCO. VSCO is my favorite photo editing app, period. You go in there, import your photos that you're going to edit, and start. This is for color grading and filters and stuff like that. So VSCO is going to add the cut to the POW, makes it KAPOW. Basically, go in, the image that I'm using of the microphone, check out that. You can check out the video related to that, cards, description somewhere. So basically that image needs to become warmer. I go through, find the filter that I need. That one, yeah, makes it warmer, sort of accentuates the fire, choose it. Go through, go through exposure, contrast. Obviously with this one I want contrast increase, a little bit of exposure increase, stuff like that. Change orientations, I don't mess around with that. Yeah, just go through the usual stuff that you know about. The main part is their color aspects and their filters are top notch. Then you carry on, you save that to your photo library and get on to the next app, which is number 2, Snapseed. Now Snapseed is going to add the OW to the KAPOW, because now it's just KAPOW. It's going to become KAPOW. I hope these videos are not cringy. Just carry on. Anyway, now in Snapseed you have loads of features. You can even mimic some of Photoshop stuff. But in this we're going to be talking about normal photo editing. So you can go through, you can add blur, so the background's blurred. You can obviously mess around with orientation, exposure, contrast, saturation. Some good editing tools on that aspect. For me, I like the sort of cool, more niche editing tools that I have, like the ones that you're seeing right now. I just find that they are dope. This one also has text that you can add. If you want to add text, I'd recommend you use an app called Typorama. It's just better for text. Now, my speech is over. Hopefully 2 minutes have ended like just now. And yeah, now you have KAPOW photos. Hopefully Instagram followers are going to be like, whoop. If you want to see my photo library, you can check it out in the description down below on the app Stella. If you want to check out my short daily vlog series, it's on my Snapchat account, AKJKYT. They're like 2 minutes each. If you'd like to see more content from me, then like, subscribe, and turn notifications so you're notified every time I post. The like makes me happier and notifies me that you like this kind of content. That's a win-win, because you're going to get more of this content. Now, that's all for today. I shall see you in tomorrow's episode, hopefully. Because here at AKJK, the grind is daily. Little do they know that my microphone boom arm is in a box, not on a table.